Hey everybody, Chris Scott here. I'm going to get to the market update in just a second. First, I just wanted to make sure that everybody's aware our Christmas party is coming up on December 3rd. It's going to be an awesome event, so I hope you guys get your seats, reserve your seats, because we are in high demand for that event and it will sell out. So have a look at the email from Courtney and make sure you get your family signed up. Okay, so winter is coming, and I know a lot of economists have predicted that it's going to be a challenging winter because of all the economic uncertainty that's going on. And it's really interesting when I look at the interest rates. I mean, the interest rates have risen at a more rapid cycle than ever before. We've had higher inflation than we've had ever before, and now you're seeing inflation finally going in the right direction, but we're still high. And the most recent interest rate hike has not really taken effect yet, so we can't see those numbers move probably for another month or so. But what I can tell you on the ground in the Ottawa real estate market is those interest rates are effective immediately. When they make those, it automatically makes things more unaffordable for buyers that are out there. So we're really noticing that, and of course it's putting downward pressure on prices. We're down over 20% in some areas from our peaks earlier this year. The statistics that are really interesting, I find, is the units. So the units sold in October were down quite a bit. So the units sold in October were just shy of 1,000, and we compare that to last year, there was over 1,600, and when I look back at 2020, there was over 2,000 sales in the month of October. So we're way down from a sales perspective. We're up in terms of inventory. Now there's now over 3 months worth of inventory in the market Ottawa-wide, and that is putting the days on market number up as well. So things are taking longer to sell. We've been hovering around that 45, 50 days. We're going to see that go up to 60 days very soon. Houses that have to be not only well priced, they actually have to be aggressively priced, because you want to always be the next one that sells. And I can tell you from experience, we have a listing right now that's aggressively priced, and it doesn't automatically mean it's going to sell right away. The market might take a little longer than usual to absorb those listings, but you certainly want to position yourself to be the next one to sell. Buyers are so funny right now because there's so much uncertainty out there. It's really a consumer confidence issue. So we have these buyers that are finally getting opportunities to buy houses that they weren't able to buy 6 months ago at prices 20% in some cases less, perfect homes, and they want to buy them, but they just can't do it. There's just that economic uncertainty that they don't want to make the purchase now. They don't know whether this is the bottom of the market. The truth be told is you're never going to know what's the bottom of the market. In the stock market, in the housing market, you're just never going to know when it bottoms out. What you have to look at is it a good value, and is this a long-term investment? Because prices will eventually go up. Maybe it's 2 years from now, maybe it's 4 years from now, but if you're looking long-term, of course, prices are going to go up. You just have to look at the history of prices in Ottawa. If you're thinking about moving this year, there's just so much to consider right now. More than ever before, you're going to need the guidance of an expert realtor. So please reach out to our team. We're always happy to help, and hope all is well with everybody. Take care.